Hey there, thanks for stopping by. My name is Gloria and I'm a third-year student studying at the Bartlett School of Architecture, and this is my vlog 4. So this week was Halloween week, and I did some fun stuff over the weekend and also, well, did a lot of work too. So hope you enjoy the video, and if you're interested, check out my podcast Deciding Thoughts, where me and my friend talk a lot about Bartlett life and weekly updates every week. So check it out.
Thank you for shopping at Lidl.
If you guys don't already, I seriously love fruit, love strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. There you go, fun fact about me. Wait. Oh my god, there's a chocolate cake. Okay. I'm just laughing at it. Sorry, Chris. Wait, rotate it.
Yeah, me after Halloween night. Hello. This is how my neck feels right now.
Oh my god, so funny.
Your coochie also got lost somewhere in translation.
Since we had tutorials tomorrow, I am just making some portfolio pages to present during my tutorials because we have cross crits next Friday, which I will explain later in this video. But essentially, I'm just putting together pages in preparation for the crits next week.
She's a nice sculptor.
Oh, that's what I said. Eugene the sculptor.
Thank you. Hey guys. Ugh, masking tape on my sleeve. Anyways, just to check in midweek. So today's Thursday and tomorrow's Friday, which is tutorial days. And because next week is cross crits, so crits is basically, I guess it's like more like a big presentation. It's less casual than just pure tutorials. So we're gonna have to like make a whole portfolio today as per the message here. So yeah, we just have to do portfolio pages, and luckily I started it. Otherwise I think I'm gonna have to have a late night. I'm already leaving like an hour later than usual, but poor Eugene, I think she might have to stay up late. But yeah, so hope tutorials go well tomorrow. Let's go home. Got some resistance bands for training, and got my new bullet journal.
He doesn't even see it.
Do you have HDMI rather than USB-C? No. This screen.
Looks at the issue through personal experience, comparing childhood expectations to adult reality, and surveying the character, the various choices and desires, and this communication
That's all. So I had my tutorial today and surprisingly it went very nice. I know Yen Shan's gonna kill me for saying that I'm surprised because she's like, why are you always so surprised that your work is going well, Lori? But yeah, it was a really nice tutorial. We got to see all the year 3's work today, which is really nice, even though it lasted for like just under 3 hours, like 2.5 hours I think, but it was nice seeing everybody's work and like their presentations. So yeah, it was really nice, really funny. Some inside jokes of like Bartlett students. But yeah, now I'm going to the bulk store as I guess a wind down event from the adrenaline of the tutorial. And then I'm gonna head back to studio to Bartlett after my trip to the bulk store and go ahead with my mentee meeting. So see you then. Okay, thanks. Hi everyone, happy Halloween. Right now in the video it's not yet Halloween, it's the 30th of October, but when this video comes up it will be already past Halloween, so happy late Halloween. But since I'm going to do something Halloween-y tonight, I'm gonna have to do a costume thing. But to me, Halloween's the most fun when you do like the cool artsy makeup. So today I'm gonna be attempting doing a skull makeup, and I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It's a neon skull makeup. Let's see how this goes. And I think it'll just be really fun to like wear makeup for the whole day and just go to different places with the makeup. And yeah, so let's go. This is gonna take me an hour. Like, I swear to God. Okay, so I've got the jumbo eyeliner from NYX and I'm gonna do the skull now. Actually, it doesn't look that bad on the monitor, but it looks bad in real life. It's actually not as bad as I think. It's just my lip is not fully in it. I go like this. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna go grocery shopping with this look. Anything. Oh, yeah. Hi. Flatmate grocery shopping. Yeah. This is Carissa, that's Nicole. And look at my crazy blue eye makeup. Alright. I'm trying to find a pumpkin that's not this big. Okay, this is the look we're going for. See how good my art skills are. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 out of 10. Just kidding.
Carissa, how much would you give it?
Yeah.
I'll give like 7 or 8.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's okay. I think it's pretty similar.
I give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
You're the best. Nice. It's actually very Halloween-y because it looks like, I don't know, some, what do you call it? Like those bubbly things.
So I was thinking.
So you were thinking.
You were thinking?
Wait.
You can show me multiple ones. Oh, you brought me your boots as a reference.
I was thinking maybe something like this.
I like
Right?
that.
And then
This is the
and then-
reference image. Stop laughing. That's what Carissa was doing. You guys always laugh when I'm doing your makeup.
Can I look now?
Yeah, you can look in the mirror.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
So nice. Oh, the flowers are really good too. I
Like
look
it?
Yeah, I look like a witch.
Ah, I
Can
like
I-
it. Yeah, it's cooked. Right?
Seems good, yeah.
So we are on our way to go to Yen Shan's house. This is all our costumes. What? What's convenient? With a broomstick. Yeah, I took the actual broom. You can just see the sky and the tree. No, you can't see anything in the selfie. Anyways, but it's just nice to walk. Wait, Carissa, shine light on my face. Oh my god. So we're walking through Regent's Park and
Can you saw your Casey?
yeah, I can actually. If you see it, there's like no light here. Everything is like black. So Halloween vibes, you know. Yen Shan! Look at mine. You think I look really cool, right?
Yes.
Wait, what is it?
Yes. Come on, you guys know this. You guys are culture.
Oh, Yao Kusama!
Yeah.
Ah, yes! I got it! Oh my gosh! That's actually so good! Oh my god! That's okay. Just Halloween thing. Yes. Chi?
Oh shit, I know what. Oh yeah, he told me. Never mind. Never mind.
I don't trust myself with the knife. Yeah.
Take
out. Yeah, and myself because I'm like this.
I don't think you can eat this. You can roast the seeds, right? And then you can make soup. Yeah. No, you don't put the seeds. This is my pumpkin.
Yeah, quite proud actually. Let me try shine light through.
You ever see him again?
That's so cool.
I did. Like,
My pumpkin?
Actually really good. Yeah.
Thank you. So that was fun. I'm so tired. I don't want to take this off. I'm actually quite proud of it. Oh my god. I miss my bus. I can't believe I just missed my bus. Like, I swear to God it was because it was raining, but I shouldn't blame anyone but myself. So, it's just me. I didn't know it departed 2 minutes before. I arrived exactly at 7:30, but the bus already left. So I managed to change my ticket to 10 a.m. So I'll just be doing some history reading while waiting for the bus. I'm finally on the coach, and now I've learned my lesson that I should really be here 10 minutes earlier than the departure time. I was still kind of, a little bit happy that I had a bit of extra time to do my history reading, which is actually quite a sad statement to make. But I needed to do my history, so I guess just find the good bits when bad stuff happens. So yeah, now I'm on the way to Norwich. Wait, I didn't know Paris.
dude, I told you 20 right. I was just like, oh, that's a joke. cooking, dude. Do you not know that episode where Rudy was in the kitchen? If you touch it, it'll kind of just rub off. So.
I feel pregnant.
Like a leg.
I feel like we need to like wipe off.
I think
I'll do it.
What the hell?
Finally didn't miss the bus this time. See you guys next week in London.